In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal to Google Play as a payment method. By the end, you'll be able to pay for apps, games, and subscriptions using your PayPal account quickly and securely. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Make sure you're connected to the internet and signed into the Google account you want to use. If you have multiple accounts on your phone, glance at the profile picture in the top right corner to confirm you're on the correct one before you continue. Next, tap your account icon in the upper right. This opens your account menu. From here, choose Payments and Subscriptions. This is where Google Play keeps all your billing and purchase settings in one place so you can manage how you pay and what you're subscribed to without digging through the rest of the app. Now, select Payment Methods. On this screen, you'll see any payment options you've already added, along with the choices you can add. Look for Add PayPal and tap it. Google Play will hand things off to PayPal so you can link your accounts securely. You may be asked to sign into your PayPal account and confirm that you want to connect it to Google Play. Follow the prompts on screen, read the details, and confirm when you're ready. This process keeps your PayPal login private and ensures the connection is authorized by you. Once you've confirmed, you'll be sent back to Google Play. You should now see PayPal listed among your payment methods. From this point on, when you buy something in Google Play, you can choose PayPal at checkout, just like any other payment option. If you don't see the PayPal option, a couple of quick checks can help. Make sure your Google Play Store app is up to date, verify that you're signed into the right Google account, and confirm that PayPal is available in your country and eligible for purchases. Also, ensure your PayPal account is in good standing. These simple checks usually resolve most visibility issues without any extra steps. A quick tip: if you ever need to review or remove your PayPal connection later, you can return to the same payment method screen to manage it. And remember, you're only linking once. After that, using PayPal at checkout is as simple as selecting it. That's it. You've successfully added PayPal to Google Play. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to follow along for more straightforward guides like this one.